we're on. Yeah, this is marvellous. We just pulled off the side of the road and camped last night, and
this is what we woke up to.
Went for a bit of a walk. So I'll take you for a bit of a walk around this little area we found.
There's a little native garden.
I don't know how many types of flowers we've seen this morning. So there's some on this bush here, Eremophilus. And we've got these two ground covers, 5-petal purple one, and then this brilliant mauve. Everything looks so happy. And then these yellow button-like flowers. And this plant with amazing red stem, little flowers. There's another one. It just goes on and on through the trees. So I think if you ever came here with little kids, you'd have to watch them because they just wander off chasing the flowers. And then all these helichrysums here. Oh, and there's flies. Always flies. So, yep, this is just a little spot we found driving along on the map. So if you ever get the chance, you've got to come north in just before spring. Alright, we're off to another spot.